let's see what we can do today. Okay, so I got these pens from Temu. I'm going to use them on some of my resin art, just to plump it up a little bit, if that makes sense. Now, what colour shall I use? Just want to show you, really. Shall I go with that one? That one? Yeah, that one, I think. So just want to prime the pen. Okay. It's now primed. And then we'll come in. Oh, I want to take off that little sharp edge there. Look, there's a little sharp edge. So I'll take that off. Oh, this from Temu too. I forgot there's actually a few little bits on here. I wanted to get with the very fine. So I just want to go in and catch these edges. Now it will come in like this, and we'll come around the edge. That's pretty, isn't it? It really does just chrome it. Not sure if I need one or two coats, we'll see. Right. Oh, can I fit it in there? Yeah. Oops. Go, Domino, get down. Get down. You're right under the camera. Get off, get off, get off. Got this from Temu too. My codes and that are in the description below. I'll probably put them on the screen as well if I remember. But they're always in the description and bio. If you ever want my Temu codes to join Temu, get some £0 gifts and cash rewards and all sorts with qualifying orders, then jump on down below, check my codes out. You can also become an affiliator on the code beginning with INC. And this is a little picker-upper. How cool is that? Oh, look at that. So I'm going to use this to stick a little bit of glue on here, because I don't want too much, you see, because it's messy. So I'm going to put some there, replace it with this. It's very cool, but fits perfectly that size, doesn't it? Might do a bigger one in the middle, look. Okay, let's try a couple more. Okay, let's glue on both bits. That's it. Put it down. Oh, no, it's upside down. I didn't realise it'd be difficult. So I've got to get used to doing this. Domino. So my timing's a little bit dubious.